This right here is payment evership. I mean $390 instantly for clicking website. You can do it any corner of the world easily without any types of previous knowledge or experiences or without investing any money on this website. So this website is called www. Hey, this is Make Money Online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. If you didn't subscribe the channel, and please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you are new on the Make Money Online, just like this and keep watching and like, share more and more with your friends. So let's get started. Alright, this website is called letgpt.com. letgpt.com is the best and trusted website to start your journey on this platform from any corner of this world. In this video I want to share how you will get paid, 2 steps to earning $390 clicking on the website. Step number 1, unveiling a brand new website you have never heard of that pays cash quick. So step number 2, revealing a different ways to earning on this site easily from any corner of the world. But there is a disclaimer: results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk and follow the exact steps, or else results will not be possible here. So make sure to stay all the way through this video. The first website is called letgpt.com. After coming here, if you want to know about this website, launched on 26 May 2012, and it has been updated on 2020, so you can start your journey on this platform easily here. So most of the people have given their reviews about this website, letgpt.com. Their services are revenue sharing, overalls, all CP or GPT networks, anti-cheat system, traffic exchange, security captcha, multi-language support, PTC mustard, and many payment processors, multiple currencies, and packets chat. So after coming here, what should you do? First of all, just click on this register button here, and then you will get this amazing feature: first name, email address, password, confirm password, and then click on the task, the t-shirt, this one. If you click on this over here and then click on the checkbox and then register button here, and after doing this work, you will get this link on your email. After clicking on this link, you will get the amazing feature. You will get login on this interface. So after coming here, what should you do? There are lots of categories, menus over here, and first time this one is summary, membership, earn, PTC, offerals, Asia Mag, faucet. Lots of categories are here, and this one is also money, and there is a referral. You will pay it by completing the referral. So step by step I want to share. Make sure to stay all the way through this video. So first of all, after coming here, you will click on this PTC. To click, there are lots of websites as you can see here, and if you click on that website, alright, there are lots of websites, and if you will just click on this website, you will get paid this amount of money from here. Just you have to wait 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. All the websites are here. There are lots of websites as you can see here, and if you click on the website and stay 10 seconds, you will get paid. Next option, to earn extra cash, and just click the over video. So after coming here, what should you do? And there are lots of categories: offer walls, Asia Mag, faucet, short links, pop the box, and traffic exchange over here, and this one is video. And just click on this video, you'll get this amazing feature. I think there are lots of videos, and every after 24 hours you will get lots of categories videos. This one is ETO Obama's force, and there are lots of TikTok videos and etc over here, and you can watch this video step by step to earn extra cash from this LeetGPT.com. This one is another option, and I think you have to stay on this video 10 second, 15 second or 20 second altogether. So after doing this, you will get paid from this videos from here. And then if you click on this pop the box over here, and this one ticket number 1, this one is for $0.004, and this one ticket number 2 and 3 altogether, and you will get paid after completing all the works from this ticket number 1, ticket number 2 and ticket number 3. After 30 minutes, every new website will be uploaded on this website. I mean, you will get lots of videos for starting your earning from here. You can earn from here easily. It is the absolutely best method, I think. Without any types of knowledge or experiences, you can start your journey on this trusted website. So first of all, if you click on this summary, and you will get all the statistics over here, and as you can see here, this one is main balance, purchase balance, BTC wallet and traffic wallet over here, and this one is a referral link. I think if you just copy from here and then shrink, going to the another website, this is called shrinkearn.com. shrinkearn.com is like bitly.com. You can shrink any types of longest URL after coming here and then completing this one, and just you have to share different types of social medias. I mean Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, etc. And sharing this link will increase your referral friend more and more for earning extra cash from here. On the other hand, you also deposit your earning on this website, and the more you will deposit on this platform, you will get paid more and more easily from here. So this is the best and easiest way, I think. First of all, if you click on this earn all the categories to start your journey on this platform over here, and you can withdraw your amount on the BTC wallet. Just click on this withdraw money over here, and then this one is another feature. What should you do? First of all, this one is from, and this click on this BTC wallet over here, and if you don't have any BTC wallet account, I cordially request to create an account on going to coinbase.com. coinbase.com, there are lots of wallet system you can use from that coinbase.com, and then after doing the address, I mean link, you can use on this BTC as a BTC wallet over here. And this one is second option, I mean you can use Faucet Pay, Wallcrypt, BTC direct withdraw. So this one is the best and easiest way, I think, and keep it up year balance over here, and this one is minimum amount of money, and this one is maximum, and phase 2.5%, and this one is add new, and this one is amount. Just click on this withdraw money from here easily. So this is the best and easiest way for beginner or experienced level person to start earning more and more from LeetGPT.com. and this one is the best and trusted website because it has launched since 2011. So this is the best and easiest way, I think. And if you want to deposit over here, just click on this deposit, and you have to select your option, I mean $1, $2, $3 from here, and select the wallet. If you select this one BTC to others, I mean you can select over here and use your amount of money, and then you can click on the deposit on this website. So this is the best and easiest way. And if you click on this country, you can choose any types of country as you can see here, and whatever you like. If you want to know about many things from this website, just click on this super support. You can get connected to answer more and more questions. Just click on this frequently asked questions over here, and this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 questions, and you can get all the answers from here. So this is the total video for just only for you. You can start your journey in this bad situation, and I could really request to subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe. And if you want to make money online just like this, and keep watching and like, share more and more with your friends. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.